Welcome to Week 2. Our lesson for this week is unit rates. The objectives of this lesson are to first define what a rate is, and then to define how a rate can be simplified to a unit rate. A rate is a ratio of two quantities having different kinds of units. Let's look at an example. Matthew can text 60 characters in 30 seconds. From our previous lessons, we should be able to see that the ratio here is 60 characters in 30 seconds. And again, from our previous lesson, we learned that a ratio can be written as a fraction, as shown here. Now that we have our rate in a fraction format, we need to take steps to convert it to a unit rate. Let's look at our example again. Matthew can text 60 characters in 30 seconds. We have already seen that this rate can be written as a fraction as shown on the screen. To convert this rate to a unit rate, we need to simplify our fraction so that it has a denominator of 1. To do this, we divide both numerator and denominator in our fraction by our denominator value, 30. This simplifies our rate to 2 characters per second. This is our unit rate. Now that we have our unit rate, we can rewrite our original statement. Matthew can text 2 characters per second. Let's work on another example together. Nancy spent $11 for 4 boxes of cereal. Let's find the unit rate cost for a box of cereal, then use this information to rewrite the problem, highlighting the cereal unit rate cost. First, we will identify our rate. In this case, that is $11 for 4 boxes of cereal. We will write this rate as a fraction, then simplify the rate by dividing both numerator and denominator by 4. Our denominator value. This gives us our unit rate value of $2.75 per box of cereal. Using this information, we can rewrite our opening statement. A box of cereal costs $2.75. Let's do one more together. Bill drove 400 miles on 14 gallons of gasoline. Again, we'll find the unit rate cost, then use this information to rewrite our original statement. By now, you should be able to see that our rate is 400 miles on 14 gallons. This can be written in a fraction format as shown. To make this a unit rate, we'll need to divide the numerator and denominator by 14, our denominator value. This gives us our unit rate value of 28.6 miles per gallon. Using this information, we can rewrite our opening statement. The car traveled 28.6 miles per gallon of gasoline. You have now completed Lesson 2, Unit Rates. You should be able to define what a rate is and take the steps necessary to convert a rate to a unit rate. Thank you for your time, and be sure to complete your course activity.